Welcome to Niagara Systems, a South Shore controls company. For nearly a century, Niagara Systems has been building high-quality, long-lasting parts washing systems and chemical processing equipment for industrial applications. Located in Mentor, Ohio, Niagara Systems designs, builds, and services all types of automation equipment for our customers in nearly every industry. Proudly built in the USA, our equipment meets the simplest to most extreme demands of our customers around the globe. With more than 5,000 global installations, integrations, and retrofits, Niagara Systems is a leader in not only manufacturing industrial wash systems, but also a source for solving complex manufacturing problems through automation. Whether a cabinet washer, tunnel washer, carousel washer, custom chemical processing, custom automation, robotic cell, or any other custom design system, Niagara can design and build a custom application and integrate it into your existing manufacturing or automation process. Our washing equipment is only made of non-corrosive materials to satisfy the requirements of the job. These materials can be stainless steel, either 304 or 316, or plastic, such as Teflon and polypropylene. Our wash systems incorporate recirculation tanks that are insulated for efficiency and also fitted with multi-stage filtration systems. These features minimize water usage, reduce electrical amperage load, and increase the life expectancy of chemistry. Not only does this provide an eco-friendlier system, but also cuts operating costs, giving our customers a competitive edge. Custom fixturing, when needed, ensures 100% coverage of intricate and complex parts. With hundreds of custom applications under our belt, we have experience in final goods washing, product cleaning, paint preparation, anodizing, pickling, sanitizing, sterilizing, and more. Niagara Systems serves multiple industries including automotive, energy and oil, food processing, manufacturing, medical and pharmaceutical, aerospace, nuclear, consumer goods, laboratories, defense, and others. Our expert staff will collaborate with your team from design through build to installation and startup. All washers are shipped with user manuals, mechanical drawings, preventative maintenance suggestions, and recommended spare parts documentation. And if service is ever required, our expert technicians are available for consultation or on-site visits worldwide. At Niagara Systems, we are more than washing. Contact us today to begin developing the perfect custom solution to your washing and automation needs. Call us at 440-259-2500 or visit us on the web at niagarasystemsllc.com.